everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog is another episode related to freelancing. Gaya ng nasabi ko before in my vlog about FAQs on Rare Job, nasabi ko na hindi na ako full-time Rare Job tutor. Although part pa rin naman ako ng tutor pool. It's because I shifted to a career and I am now an Amazon seller virtual assistant. Wait, ano raw? So, that's exactly the same reaction that I get from my friends and family whenever I tell them what my new job is. So, for today's vlog, sasagutin ko ang 6 na katanungan na ito. First is, what an Amazon seller virtual assistant is, what services they provide to their clients, the skills required to qualify for that job, ang favorite natin, the salary range, where to apply and where you can get clients, and lastly, why you should consider being an ASVA. So if interested kayo sa topic na ito, then keep on watching. Alright, so hello again, and if first time nyo sa aking channel, my name is Nikki B and I vlog about topics on freelancing, health, and lifestyle in general. So kung bet nyo ang isa or lahat ng topics na nabanggit ko, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa latest uploads ko. Ating patagalin. Gaya lang nasabi ko, it's all about Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant. So, ano nga ba yun? So, Amazon, first, is an e-commerce platform just like Lazada and Shopee where people go shopping online. And it's actually, if not one of the most top 1 na sikat na e-commerce websites sa US, Australia, UK, Japan, and many other countries. An Amazon seller is an entrepreneur or a person who sells their products on the Amazon platform. Next, virtual assistant is a person who renders his or her administrative services to people, to clients abroad, online, kaya virtual eh. So, pag pinagsama-sama natin yon, an Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant or ASVA for short is a person who provides administrative services to Amazon sellers. So, ano ba yung mga tasks, duties, and responsibility? Kung generalist ka na ASVA, you can either be first, a customer support. You handle refunds, customer complaints, you manage seller feedback, customer reviews about your products. Next is you can also be a product researcher. So, syempre, pag seller, di ba, kailangan ng mga winning products. So, bawat Amazon seller, may iba-ibang criteria. Yung iba gusto sa supplements sila. Yung iba, kitchenware. Yung iba, toys ng mga bata. Yung iba naman, mga damit. So, iba-ibang linyahan din yan. Next is you can be an inventory manager. So, inventory management, meaning ikaw na nakikipag-usap sa mga suppliers, you make sure na yung mga products nyo laging may stock, you make sure na yung shipments are okay, umalis, at na-receive ng fulfillment center, and many more. Ano pa ba? You can also be in advertising and marketing because Amazon, may sarili silang ads and we call it PPC or pay-per-click ads. And what else? Listing creation and optimization. So, syempre, di ba, kapag may binibenta kang product, kailangan may picture, kailangan may product detail page, may title, may description, may bullet. So, yun. Yun ang iilan sa mga pwedeng maging tasks and responsibilities mo kapag na-hire ka as an ASVA. Next question. Nikki, kailangan ba lahat alam ko? Kailangan ba lahat marunong ako para maging ASVA? Actually, hindi. Pwede ka lang mamili, mag-niche down. Kung gusto mo, customer service ang forte mo, go. Kung gusto mo, more on product listing optimization ka, keyword research, why not? Go. So, pero meron din naman tayong general skills na hinahanap kasi ako yung nag-train ng mga VA. So, ito yung mga hinahanap namin ng isa kong client when we're hiring VA. So, first is a general overview of the Amazon Seller Central. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi ang daming YouTube tutorials na nagbibigay ng free tour sa Amazon Seller Central nila. What else? Good communication skills kasi since international nga ang ating mga clients, may kipag-usap. May mga iba, ang supplier nila nasa US din or minsan nasa UK. Although yung iba naman nasa China. Ayan. So, business emails din, kailangan may alam ka din sa pagko-compose ng professional business emails. And hindi naman laging nagko-call, pero of course, yung speaking communication skills is very crucial din, lalo na kung customer support. What else? Research skills. Since product researcher ka, kailangan din marunong kang gumamit ng mga software related to product research. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kasi meron namang mga YouTube tutorials, free tutorials to help you get familiar with those software like Unicorn, Smasher, Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and more. Yun. And what else? Sorry, tumitingin ako kasi actually may notes ako. Nag-prepare talaga ako for this vlog para wala akong ma-miss. And what else? Excel sheet. Kasi lalo na kung product inventory management ka, marami kayong tracking sheets and database na kailangang i-update na naka-Excel. And the rest, very personal na, like being being detail-oriented, organized, willingness to learn, and lastly, you have to be a team player. So next question, what's the salary range? So ito average lang, it's between $500 to $1,000, so that's around 25,000 to 50,000 pesos. Sorry, may tricycle. So, at pwede pang more. Lalo na may mga niche. Let's say, kung PPC manager ka, product researcher ka, usually, at yung product listing optimization ang forte mo, usually yun yung matataas ang tawag dito, ang hourly rate. So, next question, asan ka makakapag-apply? So, actually, there are a lot of platforms where you can apply. One is the online jobs ph.ph. LinkedIn. Yes, may mga nagme-message din sa akin yan sa LinkedIn. What else? Hindi ko pa na-try pero marami akong co-VAs na sa Upwork nakakuha ng mga clients nila. Yun talaga yung pinakamarami. Then FreeUp. And then guru.com. So don't worry, I'll be putting the links on the description box below para ma-check out niya sila. And lastly, why you should consider being an ASVA. So for starters, e-commerce is an ever-growing business. It's expected to expand and grow more in the next coming year. And di ba, ang dami na ring mga tao ngayon na nagsisell online. So, dumadami rin yung clients natin, yung potential clients natin na pwede nating matulungan by offering our services. Next, if you're thinking of starting your own e-commerce business, I believe being an ASVA, lalo na kung gusto nyong mag-Amazon. Hindi ko alam kung papasok ba ang Amazon sa Pilipinas, pero if that happens, you're already positioned in a good spot wherein mas may alam ka na kasi you've already worked with Amazon clients at alam mo na kahit papaano yung kalakaran, alam mo na yung mga strategies na mag-work. And what else? Perks. One of my clients is a supplement seller on Amazon. So, as part of our perks, well, hindi naman lahat hindi ko nilalahat. Pero itong client ko na to, sinasendan niya kaming lahat ng VAs niya dito sa Pilipinas ng binibenta niyang supplements. So, currently, I have their collagen capsules and this one is resveratrol. So, di ba? Gusto niya rin kasi healthy din kaming mga VAs niya. So, hopefully, nakatulong itong video na to para malinawan kayo kung ano nga ba ang pagiging Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant at finally, makapag-decide kayo if para sa inyo ba itong opportunity na ito. If you like this video, give it some love and give it a thumbs up. And if my friends kayo na magiging interested, then feel free to share it out. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!